Welcome. I want to do a review of Jaguar Jackpots. This is a new product by Dawud Islam, and I have to admit he's got some really great products. I'm going to go over here to the sales page, and he basically says, do you want everything done for you? He's going to give you access to all 12 of his previous products that you can sell as your own. And once you do that, you're going to get 100% of the commission. So if you're a marketer and you're looking for a product to sell, you don't want to make your own product, this is a great way to start because his products are really good. So if we scroll down here, let me show you what his products are. He's got the Greyhound giveaways how to give away stuff. Dolphin dividends, where you can profit from low content books, puzzle books, journals, things like that. Panda payments, how to earn recurring income. Leopard's list. Eagle emails. Now, Tiger traffic, that's the first one I reviewed and the first one that I bought. Very, very good product. All kinds of different traffic methods. Then Puma products, how to launch a new product every 2 weeks. You don't even have to do that now because you're going to have all these products to give away. Cougar commissions, it told exactly what he does every day to make money because he's up to like $15,000 a month now. And he started at zero, just like you and me. Now, I reviewed Cougar commissions and I also bought it. So I bought Tiger traffic. I bought Cougar commissions before. We have Panther profits, which is how to build your list, cash creator list, and Moscow Moolah, how to build that how to earn money online. There was one other one I did here. Well, I think it was Puma products. And you can see if you go to my blog, lindatrimmer.com, by the way, I reviewed Puma products, and it's on the YouTube also, and Cougar commissions. And I also reviewed Tiger traffic. They're all on my blog and they're all on YouTube. So that's the sales page. Now, if you go down here on the sales page, he gives you a demo of what's in here. So let me just go a little bit here so we can see. Okay. This is what we want. He gives you the introduction, and then he lists all the courses here. I'm going to try to make this a little bit bigger so you can see it. So you would go to the first product, and you can access it here, and it's yours free. And then you have to get your commission link right here. And once you have that link, that's what you can use for selling the product and getting 100% commission throughout the funnel. And all of the products are just listed down the left-hand side here. That's what you're going to get, and it's really worth it, believe me. Now, there are some upsells. So the front end is going to be $14.95. And you're going to get all 12 of his previously released products. And you're going to be able to resell them. Okay? Now, this one, and actually I'm going to buy this because I'm going to go back to all my reviews here. And I'm going to switch out the affiliate link that I have right here. And I'm going to put in the new one where I'll get 100% profit. So our commission. So I will be buying this myself. And then Jaguar Jackpot, the Pro Edition, what this allows you to do is to give away his 12 products so that you can get a big buyer's list. Now, I'm not sure if the downsell will then, what they might do sometimes in the downsell is instead of getting 12 products, you might only get 6. I don't know. You'd have to check that out. OTO2, and I'm going to buy that one also so I can give away the free version. If you're watching this video, keep looking because eventually on YouTube and on my mailing list, I will be giving away one of his products. The next one here is where you can put a pixel on our sales page. And then you can get reseller rights to this product, Jaguar Jackpots. And you can get his mega traffic package, and this is where he'll put solo ads on his network. He has a network of traffic sites, and he'll put solo ads there. And of course, there's this one if you want to launch your own product. This is one way to go. He'll launch it with you, and he's really the up-and-coming affiliate marketer now. So it might be well worth it if you're thinking of doing that. So here's what you're going to get. You're going to get the front end, which is access to all 12 of his products, guarantee approval to promote it, 100% commissions on all 12 sales funnels, over-the-shoulder video training, sell the products as if they're your own, and then how to drive traffic to your offers using entirely free methods. Plus, you get the Tiger Traffic, which has got a lot of traffic methods there. Plus, you've got some fast action bonuses here. The lockdown formula, how to make money during a lockdown or anytime you need fast cash. The 8 high-ticket programs, because sometimes it's just better to sell something that has more commission than $7 or $14. The Power Marketers Club Silver membership. This is a $97 membership that's yours free. The Awakening, where you're going to awaken your products with this great training program. And Fugo Breakout. And this one was a Brendan Mace and Jono Armstrong, one of his products. And I wanted to add just a few more bonuses here to sweeten the pot. This is a really good one, how to write headlines that sell. And then we have the free traffic frenzy, because you can never have too much traffic. So this shows you how to get free traffic, and it's just another one of many different ways. And then passive affiliate profits. This is how to make and set and forget commissions in your sleep. It's like a 51-page book. It's got just about everything you need to know to get passive affiliate profits and to make money online. You can use it with this course. And then the traffic builder software. It's how to get traffic that'll come in as quick as 15 minutes. It's some really good software to get automated traffic. So I would advise you to click the button below and go pick up Jaguar Jackpots. So I highly advise you to go and pick up his product. You won't regret it. It's only, $14.95? Is that what we said here? It's going to be on June 22nd. It'll be launching on June 22nd. And it's $14.95. That's really cheap for 12 done for you, basically funnels. Anytime you want to become an affiliate and get 100% commission, they're charging lots of money. This is well worth it. Dauwd, as I said, is now up to $12,000, $15,000 a month. And he started at 0. In one of my reviews, I go through that. So check it out. It's probably the Puma products where I go through how he went from 0 to 12,000 and now 15,000, even more a month. Check it out. You won't regret it. But Jaguar Jackpots by Dawud Islam, I highly recommend it. Go click the link below and go right to the product, to the sales page, and please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.